Olive oil is used in kitchens all across America, and most people are ruining it without realizing it. Here are 5 olive oil mistakes that quietly erase the benefits. First, storing olive oil next to the stove or oven. Heat hits the bottle every time you cook. Even sealed, that warmth slowly destroys the compounds that make olive oil protective. Second, mixing olive oil with refined vegetable oils. The refined oils oxidize first, and once that starts, the olive oil breaks down with them. Third, believing olive oil shouldn't taste bitter or cause a slight throat burn. That peppery bite isn't a flaw, it's polyphenols, the same compounds linked to heart and vessel protection. Fourth, cooking olive oil on very high heat again and again. Repeated heat strips away stability and turns a healthy fat into an oxidized one. And fifth, reheating olive oil-based leftovers multiple times. Each reheat accelerates oxidation, especially in pasta, vegetables, and sauces. Olive oil improves health because it interacts with very specific control systems in your body. First, blood vessels. Extra virgin olive oil activates nitric oxide synthase. That increases nitric oxide, which relaxes the inner lining of your arteries and lowers resistance to blood flow. Second, cholesterol damage. Its phenolic compounds reduce LDL oxidation, preventing cholesterol particles from becoming inflammatory and embedding into artery walls. Third, chronic inflammation. Oleocanthal suppresses NF-kappa B signaling, a master inflammatory pathway involved in arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and accelerated aging. Fourth, blood sugar regulation. Olive oil improves insulin receptor sensitivity, allowing glucose to enter muscle cells more efficiently without forcing the pancreas to release more insulin. Fifth, gut immune signaling. It supports beneficial gut bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids, which stabilize immune response and metabolic balance. Most people don't know this. Olive oil works best at night. Before sleep, the body shifts into repair mode. Stress hormones drop, blood sugar stays low, and the body becomes more responsive to fat signals. When extra virgin olive oil is taken before bed, oleic acid helps lower overnight cortisol, keeping sleep deeper and more stable. It supports blood vessel relaxation, improving circulation to the brain while you sleep. Its polyphenols quiet inflammatory signals, so joints don't trap fluid overnight. It syncs bile timing, letting fats process at night instead of dragging into the morning. And during sleep, when cells repair, olive oil supplies fat for cell membrane rebuilding, not storage. That's why olive oil before bed works fast. It doesn't force change. It supports how the body resets.